TANDEM is a Euratom project funded by the European Commission. It started in 2022 for 3 years. The main objective of TANDEM is to study the safe and cost-effective integration of small modular reactors into hybrid energy systems. Our second technical workshops on education and training has just started in Pisa, and I'm very excited for this. The workshop is on modeling and optimization tools to study hybrid energy systems. Beyond our technical results in the project, education and training is also a very important features for us.
The frame of the TANDEM project, in which the University of Pisa is involved as a member of the CIRTEN, the Consortium Interuniversitario for the research in nuclear engineering. The subject of the workshop is modeling, in particular related to small and modular reactors when they are introduced inside cogeneration networks, which means that not only electricity is produced, but maybe hydrogen, district heating, and any other application of the heat which is produced in the reactor core. We have participants both in presence and in the distance, and these 2 days we will have some more or less 20 presentations by experts in the field, and also some demonstration of applications of the software which is used in this frame.